Here at Haynes Acupuncture on the Gold Coast, we treat head colds, flu, sinus, hay fever, all of the conditions with the upper respiratory tract. Head colds, sinus, upper respiratory tract infections are all related to the immune system, and acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine can treat this. Acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine restore the immune system and the upper respiratory tract. If you suffer frequently from head cold, sinus, any upper respiratory tract conditions, then come into the clinic, we'll be able to help you out.